All right, everybody. Real quick, what I wanted to show you was basically a quick run through on how to load your email swipe into your back office and go ahead and make that edit. So the first, you're gonna need three things: a notepad where you can copy and paste the link to. Definitely gonna need the email swipes. This is for either if you're Novatech or Prosperity Gem Mining, you're gonna need the email swipes, and of course you're gonna need your Lease Leap account. Okay. So what we're going to do, first thing that we're going to do, we're going to go to our funnel manager, and then we are going to go to whichever funnel that you picked. Let's just say I'm in Prosperity Gem Mining and I picked funnel number 2. Okay. So what I will need from funnel number 2, I would just need the link. So basically what I would do is just that I would just take that right here, copy that, right click, just copy that, and just go ahead and just put that in my notepad, okay? So now what I'm going to do is that now I'm going to go to email series, okay? And then so if I wanted to add new email series for these series, let's just say I'm doing this series right here, okay? And I'm going to add a new email series. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add new. This will be, we could say this can be day 0, okay? And then the action would be this send email. The subject, what I would do is go to my, get this right here. This would be my subject. What would you rather struggle or crypto rich? Hold up, let's see. Would you rather struggle or crypto rich? All I do is copy that, go back to my Lead Leap, paste that in there. Okay. Also, what I would like to do is enable smart greeting on the body. So it will say the lead's name. And then what I would do now is go back here, copy that. Well, before I even copy that, what I would need to do for right here, what we're gonna need to do is we're gonna copy this. Okay, let's make sure I got everything. Copy that, we're gonna go back to Leads Leap. I'm just gonna right click. What we're gonna do is Control V. Okay, so now what we need to do is that we need to insert our link. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna erase this. That's just a little guide for you. I'm sorry. This part right here, we're going to erase your PGM link. We're going to erase that. And then what we're going to do is that we're going to highlight, click here. And then we're just going to click on the link. And then what we're going to do is that we're going to paste our link into there. So we're going to go back to our notepad, copy that link, and then paste that in there. And then click OK. And target, we can just put new window and then click OK. And then it's already in there. And then you just put your name and your email address in there. And then you can just click Save Changes. And then bam, you'll be good to go. Okay? Just wanted to show you that real quick. And that's for both Novatech and Prosperity Gem Mining. You can use this for both. And also too, you can also use, if you're in Prosperity Gem Mining, you can download the Novatech email swipes. Same thing with Novatech. If you're in Novatech, you can download the Prosperity Gem. The whole point is to keep them flowing. All right? It's your man, Rashad. Y'all have a good one.